I want to do this piece because October is Breast Cancer Month. Let's bring up another bummer subject.
Yeah, before we introduce Barry.
Before Barry.
I gotta go anyways.
But it is a very topical, also a very topical subject, and October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And as someone who has battled breast cancer for the last 7 years, along with many other women and a few men as well, I want to do the title piece from a little collection about this experience that I wrote. Do birds get breast cancer? Sitting in the leftover sun, outdoor garden on 48th Street, pretend country in the midst of city. These few imagined square yards. One squirrel rushes by, nut in tow. Bird twitters overhead, dashing at the sky. Dazzling, tiny red funnel beak. Do birds get breast cancer? Robin, red breast cancer? Wow. Can't write any more about this. Worn out from thinking, reading, thrashing about all this blah, 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 blah. 98% of women diagnosed with breast cancer live at least 5 years more. Lucky us. Hip-hop, drums in the background. Yellow taxi yelps by. Shuttle with the words, Airlink shuttle. Airlunk shittle, I think. Yeah. Laughing at my own stupid joke. Crap on this. This is shit. Just like this damn shit in breast cancer of the great Western cancer world with its great Western cancer gods want to irradiate me 33 times. The number of years Jesus lived. Take some horrifying drug that makes you fat. Depressed more, rots your bones. Ugh. Stuff yourself with the cancer diet instead. 9 servings, fruits, veggies, daily. Green tea, black tea, no coffee tea, or me. Not me. I want my coffee. Beans, black beans, green beans, black rice and beans, pinto beans, more salads than beans. How many ways can you say tofu? There's no foo like a tofu. But no soy. Oh boy. I want my chocolate, I want my muffins, I want my chocolate effing muffins. My Mrs. Stouffer's frozen. My mean, lean cuisine. My phone vodka with Lynn. I want my Bombay Sapphire martinis. And for what? A single lousy, rotten speck of a speck. 6 miserable millimeters. Less than a third of a dreadful inch. All this for that.